Hi, today I am going to show how to make a wall decoration using unused or old bangles. So for that first you need colorful blank bangles, plain bangles. It can be plastic, different colored and or glass. That's fine. No design bangles, and the bangles should be not having any broken parts. So first you need to spread the design on a flat surface, and then you need to take your thread, use matching thread. Right now I am using orange color bangle, so I am using an almost orange thread for tying this. The initial 2-3 ties we need to tie and twirl the thread so that the bangles remain intact while we are tying the full design. So I will show how it is. So if you tie like this for the first 2 or 3 ties, it will not remain. It will be, see, after some time it will get loose and it will come off. So you need to twirl the thread through the bangles for the first couple of tying. Then later, once you finish the complete design, you can remove that twirling and make it one single tie, because if you make, see, I twirled the thread along with the bangle for the first 3 times. But then later you need to remove this, otherwise it will show off when you are hanging this on the wall. So when you are tying, you need to tie the first bangle. So when you are tying, you should first tie from the center bangle towards the flower side, and then you need to tie the adjacent bangles also. So that's how you need to tie. This is one of the most easiest wall decoration which you can make. See, as I told, tie from the center bangle and then you tie with the adjacent bangle also. The more colorful the bangles are, the more beautiful the wall decoration will look. So try to get the most colorful bangles, no light colors, red, green, yellow, orange, like that. So the flower design is almost getting done. These are my daughter's unused bangles, so you can use any unused bangles which is left over also, like she has outgrown this bangle. So she likes flowers, so that's why I'm making a flower design for this. It can be hanged in her room. See, now the flower is over. The last and then you need to tie the tails of the thread. Once you finish tying, you should tie the tails of the thread so that it will not be shown while hanging. Like this. So the last bangle will have 3 ties, one from the center, one from the adjacent, 2 from both adjacent bangles. So that is over. The flower design is over. Now I am going to just add some more bangles on to both sides of this flower. So that's up to you. You can add and make the design as per your wish. So I have added one bangle to this side, and same way I am going to add to the opposite side. I'm going to finish off this design. So you can make it as elaborate as you want to, but only thing is, first you need to spread the design on a flat surface before you start tying them. It's a very simple way of making a decoration. Do give it a try. It's almost done. I will show once I hang it on the wall. Please do like and share if you liked this type of wall decoration, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much.